I'm out here yet again in a new spot. I'm actually looking on Google Maps and trying to find reasonable spots to go fish. I'm gonna go look at this creek. It's looked very small up to this point, but I don't know. I mean, who knows? I'm in a new areas. There's a lot of new water around here. This actually looks like a swimming hole. I'm gonna make a couple casts here, but I don't think I'm gonna get anything. But I mean, you never know. I mean, I'm gonna make a couple casts here. You gotta make a couple casts. Let's get this. Trash. All right, y'all, I finally found somewhere that I could fish, so we're doing good. Now everything is in my backpack, so if it falls in the water, I'm screwed. And I almost kicked it in the water right there. All right. Oh my gosh, I missed him. First cast. First cast, missed him. Something, I don't know what it is. I think it's a rock bass. As soon as it hit the water, yep, they are hungry. Go ahead, shake off. There we go. All right, little rock bass. Rock bass again. Rock bass again. These little guys are ferocious. We don't have much time. We're gonna go that way. So hopefully we got enough time to... My goal is to catch a couple smallmouth. 2 smallmouth. And I don't care how we gotta do it. Oh, that's decent, whatever it is. Keep it down. Hopefully it's a smallmouth. It looks like it could be a largie. Yep, nice. Largie. Oh, I got off. Look at that. Right there. Yep. Well, good to know that they're fishing here, even if I didn't catch that one. Oh my gosh. Largemouth. He popped off too. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna count that one as a catch. He was up in my arms. So 1 largemouth, 2 rock bass. A catfish. A channel cat. Really? catfish. All right, so 2 rock bass, a largemouth, and a catfish on Ned rig. All right, so we've been down here fishing for a little bit. We're making our way up to this oxygenated water up here, this deep fishing hole. It looks like it's a good fishing hole up here. All right, first little smallmouth. That's one. That's one, check that out. I saw another one over here too. Yeah. I don't know what this one is. It looks like a rock bass maybe? Yep, rock bass. Better rock bass too. Look at that, rock bass. Two. Let's see if there's another one out there. It looks like they're on this rocky shoal. It doesn't even look like they're in this deep water where you'd expect them to be. I mean, they were up here in like the super shallows. Oh, this is a big gar. He ate it too. I saw him eat it. Ah, he let it go. Whew. I don't see any valid way to get over there. Nothing. All right, don't know what this is, but rock bass again. Look at that. All right, may not be big, but this is our second smallmouth. Second small, about 5 inches long, but it is a smallmouth. Big old rock bass. Look at the size of that one. That's a nice one. Wow. Okay. Golly, big old rock bass again. Golly. Wow. All right, y'all. I think that is about to do it. Wow, okay.